Tired of buying these expensive dishwashing soaps and not sure what's inside? Well, you can make your own dishwashing soap with me. Honestly, just 4 ingredients, so check it out. Salt, some washing soda, some baking soda, and some citric acid. This I just ordered online. I ordered this online too. The other 2 things you can find just about everywhere, and it's super easy. I'm going to show you right now. You just need 1 cup of baking soda, 1 cup of washing soda, 1 cup of citric acid, 1/4 cup of sea salt, and if you're looking for an alternative to rinse agent, plain white vinegar, put it in your rinse agent section of your dishwasher, and it will help keep your dishes clean.